top secret, Dan?
It's a top secret formula that's been around since the 1700s. They're going to unveil the curtain a little bit and show us the liquid gold. Welcome back to What's Inside. Today we are very, very far away from home. So this last month, YouTube dropped something incredibly special, the 100 million subscriber award. There are two different YouTube channels that hit 100 million subscribers. YouTube has a lot of different awards whenever people get different levels of subscribers.
Yeah, like there's 3 of them right now. There's the silver for 100,000, gold for 1 million, and diamond for 10 million.
And last year we went to the YouTube Award headquarters and they showed us where all of the awards are kept. We kind of broke one with Casey Neistat in his studio.
It's so heavy!
We asked Paul, hey, where are you keeping the 100 million subscriber button? We had to travel all day by plane, by train, and now we're here at this train station in this little town, Baccarat, France. This is a super small town. I hope we're in the right place. Here's the man. It's Paul.
What's up, Dan?
This is the award, huh? How many of these are there in the world right now?
Currently just 3. 2 that have already gone out, of course, and then we've got one right here.
All right, let's see this thing. Break it out. I don't care that we're not inside. I gotta see this thing.
All right. Wait,
Where's the middle of it?
Well, guys, that's why we're here. We're gonna make it today. And that's why I brought you guys halfway around the world. We're gonna go inside the crystal manufactory and see how it's made.
How it's made? Is this what's inside or how it's made? We know that PewDiePie has one of these. We know that T-Series has one. I'm not sure who this one's gonna go for, but whoever it is that hits 100 million next, sounds like we're gonna make your award. We are at one of the top crystal factories in the entire world. It's been here for like 200 years. Safety is important here. What is this? This is like Santa's workshop.
It's crazy how hot it is in here because of all like the virus and stuff. It's really cold outside.
What the heck is this place?
It's so hot. It's been here for 254 years, and it's only stopped once. So it runs 24 hours a day.
Holy moly. Now here he goes. He's reaching inside of this. The fire is 1200 degrees inside of there, and he's getting some crystal out. That's molten crystal. They're just making crystal. It's basically like glass, but really, really next level. It's like a volcano. It looks like taffy. You know where they make like salt water taffy? But it's not. It is crystal. Woo, there she is. This is going to be somebody's 100 million subscriber button right there. That pile of crystal.
It looks like golden jello, like glowing jello.
Golden jello. This is the YouTube Golden Jello Award. Once you start this process, you can't stop because you're working with like molten crystal. One of the coolest things I've ever seen. I kind of want to touch it, but it's 1200 degrees Celsius. I'll put right here what that is in Fahrenheit. I don't really know. Whoa, where's it going with it? Follow where you go for it. Oh, there you're there. It's actually a cooling system, so it goes all the way through here, and it comes out like this. So I can actually take the crystal out.
So previously it was glowing red jello, now it's green jello.
It doesn't look that hot, but it's actually 120 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so I need to wear gloves. We take it now, we put it inside of this oven. Okay.
We're actually gonna heat it up to about 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 hours so that the gold mixture in the crystal reacts to the heat and it expands.
2 hours and 30 minutes.
Exactly.
It's like pink. Baccarat crystal, that's why it gets its red. All right, 5 hours later, we'll be back.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, there it is.
Look at that, it was like green jello nuts. Now it's like dark reddish pudding.
This is after 5 hours of it sitting here. Do not want to drop this.
Yeah.
You know us, you know we break
That would
things,
be-
but okay, I think it looks kind of like a squished poop emoji.
That's true.
I was gonna say cinnamon bun, but
Cinnamon bun. They're going to unveil the curtain a little bit for us and show us the liquid gold that is in there before they actually put it in the big old kiln that we saw earlier. So you gotta wear masks, there's chemicals in there. Top secret, liquid gold. Inside of this bucket are the beginnings of all things crystal. This is a really, really fine sand. Lincoln, go ahead and touch it.
Whoa, what in the world?
Have you ever felt sand like that?
No. It's like it's not even there, but you can feel the cold of it.
This is the secret mixture that has been around for hundreds of years at Baccarat. They are not going to tell us exactly what the ingredients are to make this. There are a lot of different minerals that are mixed inside of here, and one of them is the 24 karat gold. This is the final mixture, it's ready to go. They're gonna take this and go dump it in the kiln, and then it melts down with the sand, with the gold, with everything else that's mixed into there, and then that's what makes that crystal that they take out of the fire. So if you really wanna know what's inside of the YouTube Red Diamond Award, this is it right here. There's something very unique and special about this Baccarat crystal on the inside. Inside of this solution, this is actual liquid gold right there that they mix in with all of the sand and the minerals. So here's the red diamond. We've actually cut off the top part of it, but this is it. Lincoln, you hold it. Right now we're in the finishing lab. I don't know if that's what they call it, but this is the place where they polish and they cut all of the different crystal. You guys know I'm really good with tools, but this is a special award. So we've got an expert with the cutting side of it that can cut this diamond. Okay, is that hot? It's not hot. Our mic cut me, but I'll hold it. Oh yeah, there she is. I feel like we should get like 6% of one of them anyway, because we're like 6% to 100 million.
we're gonna cut a very, very, very small piece off for you.
Very small. Now the last step. Paul, we got it.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, so that should fit in there. Let's see.
Do I like put it in?
Yeah.
Let's see if it fits. Oh, don't break it, Lincoln.
Lower it on one side.
Oh, there you go.
It fits.
Does it fit?
This is before we glue it.
Okay. We are 93 million subscribers away from actually getting one of these awards. I've got an idea of where I want to put it because maybe some of you guys want to see this thing. We've made some arrangements. But first, we don't want anybody to steal these from us, so Lincoln.
No.
Oh, that didn't work.
This thing is so heavy.
It is so heavy. Okay, I hope you guys liked our little montage of us traveling from Baccarat to here. Lincoln was a trooper. This thing's like 35, 40 pounds. Right now we're in the Baccarat Museum, which is in Paris, like actually legit in Paris. And the reason why we brought it here is because there's only 2 of these Red Diamond Awards in the entire world. PewDiePie and T-Series. I'm sure more people will hit it someday, but we thought what a cool idea to actually put one in a place where you guys could come see it. Briefcase, let's get these handcuffs off. These are some like cheap handcuffs that we got that we thought looked cool. All right, Paul's got the fancy gloves. And
He looks like a detective, doesn't he?
he does look like a detective.
Or like a burglar.
Or a burglar. We're in a jewelry store right now, basically. We're gonna set it right here. We have this entire corner out of this room. Look at all these different bays with just crystal everywhere.
Yes. That looks awesome. Oh yeah.
Final fingerprints.
Finishing touches.
All right, here we go. This is one of my favorite things I think we do at YouTube. You know, the awards program is all about celebrating and recognizing creators. Whether you're trying to reach 100,000 or 100 million subscribers, we know how much hard work goes into getting one of these. We try and reflect that with what we've done here, with the detail that goes into these awards. I mean, you guys saw with working with Baccarat and Society Awards, we think this is so prestigious. We want everyone to get a chance and come see it and get inspired.
So if you guys want to come to Paris in the Baccarat Museum, it will be here. You can come and see it, which is so cool.
Come to Paris, check it out. We're still trying to get our 10 million. We were able to touch the 100 million, but we're super grateful for all the awards that we've been able to receive from YouTube and for all of you guys that watch our channel. So thank you, YouTube. Thank you to the viewers. And yeah, come check it out. This little car comes by. Hi. Whew.